The whole idea of the government was to see that your profession is given its due respect. And like the student just mentioned, he came to me and said that all our students believe that we are the only institute where there is no function or there is no graduation ceremony. And then it started thinking in my head that this cannot happen. This must be done because your profession is something that is very respected, and without all of you being a part of the medical system, it becomes it's not possible for any hospital to survive or move forward. The type of passion that we need to work with, I can give you my own experience. Nurses can actually change and give a better quality of the life for a patient who is also facing challenges. It is you who are there that has to be very committed, trying to see that you are able to be very passionate about what you want to do. Like what Dr. Alice was just mentioning about students going over, just mentioning to her, this must have been in the past, but in Goa, the type of infrastructure that we are creating for all of you, the type of hospitals that are coming up, the extra courses that we are introducing and which we want to introduce. Actually, just yesterday I was in the process of discussing with a couple of hospitals is going for more post-graduation courses, and in addition we want to start another college of nursing. We are also very lenient in giving people, and students so that they can access your course and give more permissions to the state of Goa. Like one about giving more permissions to nursing institutes in the state of Goa. So our students don't go out of the state of Goa. People who get into the government setup don't have to go out of the state of Goa to gain knowledge and education. There are so many things that, from my experience of the last 16, 17 years, is been to try and create that type of avenues for a lot of you so that you don't need to do outside the state of Goa. Nurses are already there working in the institution by sending them to different institutions, having exchange programs with hospitals so that they are able to learn the culture of private hospitals so that they are able to better the services that we have in the government setup. And it's very important. It's important. I can only tell you, but it is you who have created from within. For me, what is my passion? My passion is to see that everyone gets the best of healthcare in the state of Goa. Goa is the only state, for all of you who are passing out, is the only state that gives this type of treatment, all life-saving medicines, all medications, or whether it is cancer-related treatment, free of charge to the patients in the state of Goa, whether it is insulin, whether it is. So we don't only procure insulin. You have to also understand as a nurse